Hi everyone, so today we are looking at section B, the read between the lines questions on page 113 in our Starlight book. So what you might need to do is read over this report again just to remind yourself of it, and then we are going to do the questions. So I'm going to go through the questions now, so if you want to have a quick read over it first, that would probably be the best idea. Question 1. How might Alicia feel if she swapped places with James? So we know Alicia is the girl that lives in the big city in Singapore, and James is the boy that lives in a farm that's very remote. It's very far away from the nearest town or village. So what do you think? If Alicia swapped places with James, how might she feel? She's used to living in a big city with lots of people and lots of things to do. Whereas if she was living out in the country, very far away from shops and things and maybe no neighbours, how might she feel then, do you think? Question 2. Why must everyone help each other in Nandi's village? So if I go back over here and read the bit about Nandi, I can see there down the end it says, if they have a bad year on the farm, there may not be enough to eat. But in Nandi's village, everyone helps each other, so neighbours share food when times are tough. So the answer to the question is in there, but try and put it into your own words in a full sentence, please. Question 3. Why does James's family need a big freezer? So that's here in this section as well. The family has to think ahead about food because there are no shops nearby. They keep lots of food in the freezer. So again, try not to just copy out this sentence, put it into your own words if you can. Question 4. Name one good thing and one bad thing about each child's life. So that's really your opinion. So one thing you think is good about Alicia's life and maybe one thing that's bad about Alicia's life. And the same with James and the same with Nandi. So you have to do that for all 3 children. Question 5. Which of the 3 children would you most like to visit and why? So again, this is your own opinion. Would you like to visit Nandi in India? Would you like to visit Alicia in Singapore? Or would you like to visit James in Australia? So you can pick anyone you want, but you have to give a reason why you would like to visit them. And if you would like to try the star question, of course, why do you think the author chose these 3 places? So the author could have picked any 3 countries around the world, but why do you think she chose these 3? So give a reason for your answer there. So full sentences now please in your English copy, a heading and a date, and number your answers as well, and then take a picture and post to Seesaw.